Checking selected tray for swelling and leaks. No visible defects. This batch is clear.
Batch 789 confirmed, ready for loading. Proceeding to the truck.